Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and I'm so happy to say that we are here at Clementon Park and Splash World. So we're going to be doing a full park walkthrough here. This is actually Father's Day in June, and we are so happy that Gene Staples was able to come here and save this beautiful park. So this is Splash World, and we'll do a couple different video on that. So right now we're going to focus on Clementon Park, and as soon as you come in the entrance, which is right there, first thing you're going to see is their Larson Loop. They consider it a coaster, we do not, but it is actually called Ring of Fire, and this looks like a classic, real classic Ring of Fire there, Larson Loop there, and it's been going pretty good. It's really noisy, but like I said, it's great to have this park going. And right next to that is actually their Ferris Wheel, and that one's going today too, but if you know anything about me at the 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, not a big fan of Ferris wheels. But as soon as you come in too, you also have their Drop Tower. Now, the one thing I noticed at this park is I actually ran to Hellcat real fast there. This is called Thunder Drop. They don't have a lot of signage. So while a lot of places really hype up their rides and their signages, this park does not have that. But if you check out real quick here, this is the main walkthrough here. You actually have some games. You got Balloon Busters, you got Golden Chablet, and then over here, you got a winner every time. And then, of course, just like every other amusement park, you gotta have your Dippin' Dots. But this is actually one of the nicer Dippin' Dots stands I've ever seen, which is nice. And then over here, you actually have their train, the Clementon CP Huntington train. Now, the one thing I noticed about this train is it runs all around the side here. But it's got a really nice little layout. They actually have hippos and rhinos and stuff. So we'll be doing a POV of that later. And of course, then, as you continue down the main walkway here, you got a basketball game, you have whack-a-mole, and then you have funnel cake. So really, they really cleaned this place up. I was here about 12 years ago, and it's a 9-day from what I saw before. So right here is guest services, and I bought the season pass because the main reason I bought the season pass is because the season pass is actually good for all of the Indiana Beach parks. So you also have Indiana Beach, you also have Niagara, and of course Clementon Park. So right over here is the water park. We'll be doing a separate one there. Now this looks like a flying trapeze that just isn't going yet. Yet again, they're still working out the bugs. This is their second season back, and this year they got the coaster up, they got the log flume up. All right, so here you got the slush factory. So right as soon as you get past the midway there, if you hug over to your left, you're going to come to a lot of family rides here, and there's a nice little balloon ride here. A lot of classic rides that you don't see at other parks. Now this one looks like it's going to be a lot of fun as you go through. And actually right there was the train, you heard the whistle. But right here is a flyer that, yet again, they're still putting some things together. But the reason why I'm walking back here is there is a kid coaster this year. So you don't just have Hellcat or Ring of Fire, you actually have a kid coaster here called Dragon. Now what's really important about the Dragon is the fact that this used to be at Beaucraft. Beaucraft was a small park that was in Jersey, and it kind of went out of business once the older owner passed away. But it's great to see. Look at the condition of this thing. It is beautiful, it is running great, and it's great to see one Jersey park buy a ride that was a classic at another Jersey park. Now over here I noticed they have a little kids area here right by this giraffe. They do have a lot of animals like sprayed out over the place. There's a monkey there too that just snuck up on me. But here is like the kids section right against Hellcat, and you have, let's see what you got here. Give you guys an example. You got nice little racing cars. Over here you got a small little train, but look at this train. Just look at the zoo theme of this train. This is just fantastic. You got tigers. And then all the way in the back here, you actually have a mini pirate ship. And then right here, you actually got flying Dumbos. Probably not Dumbos, might be Jumbos. But right there, people, Hellcat is going, and I actually rode it twice already with one of the maintenance guys, and I can honestly say it's running great. I never rode it before. It is my 333rd credit, but we're gonna work our way through the rest of these kid rides. And there's some spaceships. The good thing about this is that it's in the shade, so even though it's basically a giant pavilion, the kids are protected from the rain, so these things can go at all times. And also, check out that train right there, right by the benches. That's a great train. All right, so now we're gonna walk around here. I'm gonna go back to the main walkway, the main midway, and I'm gonna show you what's out that way. This is gonna be a neat ride when it's finally going. Looking forward to that. But the one thing I can definitely say, everything is painted. Everything looks fantastic today. This is an Ampero ride. The love that they actually gave this park. Yet again, Gene Staples didn't just save this park. He actually makes this park, he invested a lot of money into this park. So here you go, right over here you got the main carousel, which has a lot of different things to it. It's smaller than most. As you can tell, it's got great artwork, definitely been restored. And then right over here is the arcade, right next to the carousel gift shop, which you can get all the different merchandise. And then of course you got another basketball game there, but right there you actually got a Pizza Hut. So I'm actually impressed that they actually have Pizza Hut here, because I don't have any Pizza Huts near me anymore, so I already know where I'm eating today. But here's another view of the carousel. Look at that, they even got sea dragons, got horses. That's a great shape there. And then back here, you actually have a standard pirate ship. And then also, you've got to always have a Scrambler. And they've got a Scrambler here. Hello. All right. So you got Picnic Grove here. We're gonna walk over here real quick here, just to show you how to get into the pirate ship. And also, to me, the marquee ride at this park, besides Hellcat, of course, if you're a coast enthusiast, you come for Hellcat, but the other marquee ride is their log flume. So that's the Sea Dragon right there. So we're gonna walk our way over towards the log flume, which is right over on this side there. But as you walk this way, you also got Chickies and Pete's. So this is like the main food court here. As you go there, you got burgers, hot dogs, french fries, cold drinks. And they have a nice little area here where you can dine. Now as you come over this way, we have a Tilt and Whirl. Oh, Philly pretzels are sold here too, which is nice. So here's the Tilt and Whirl. And then there's Hellcat. We're gonna walk over here. But this is, to me, the marquee ride, which is their log flume. I mean, Hellcat's pretty good, but the marquee ride is definitely the log flume. So let me go show you guys both of these great rides. I highly recommend coming here, support these small parks. Like I said, I actually bought a season pass just to support the park, really, because every one of these rides was going to be taken down, and it was not going to be a pretty situation. So check this out. Right there is Hellcat. Hellcat's going up the lift. So we get a good shot of Hellcat, but look at that log flume. It goes over the entire pond. I am looking forward to the log flumes. I usually stay away from log flumes, but in this case, I am looking forward to the log flume. All right, Hellcat's almost to the top. Here it comes. So there's your picture shot. Let me get a few more shots of the log flume here. Definitely looks like it's going to be getting wet, but it is a great log flume. Probably going to be one of my favorites. I've never seen a log flume this beautiful. And here's a great shot of Clementon Park. So this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, saying thank you, Gene Staples, for saving this classic park. And you just did a full walkthrough of Clementon Park.